Good morning, boys and girls. Today we are going to start with reviewing our patterns. We learned about these a little bit last week and we're just going to use this video to go over them. Okay, so here we have a simple pattern. If we have square, circle, what do you all think would come next? I'm going to give you just a second to answer and think about the pattern. Alrighty, I hope you all got square. I'm sure you did, and that is correct. Alright, we have another simple pattern here. Smiley face heart, smiley face heart. What do you all think would come next? Smiley face. So these are just our simple AB patterns here. Okay, here we have a little bit more complicated pattern. We have sun, moon, cloud, sun, moon, cloud, sun. What would be our next shape in that pattern? Remember, go back to the beginning, figure out which shape is in which number place. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, and what should come next? Our moon. Okay, here we have circle, circle, square, circle, circle, square, circle, and what would come next? Good job, we have circle next. Okay, here we have a color pattern. So we have all hearts, red, blue, green, yellow, red, blue, green, yellow, red, blue, and what comes next in our pattern? Green. Great job, boys and girls. I hope you all enjoyed this review for your patterns, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.